Hi, my name is Tom Fitzgerald, Product Manager here at Black Box. I'm here at ISE and I'm going to show you our Emerald DESKVUE. Basically, as we focus on the control rooms, what we've noticed is users need access to more systems simultaneously to increase efficiency. So what we have here is our Emerald DESKVUE, and it's connected to, in this case, 4 different systems, but you can connect it to 4 separate monitors and have up to 16 connections running simultaneously. They can be to physical machines, they can be to virtual machines using RDP or PCOIP, or you can actually include a H.264, 65 video stream as well. We've also integrated our video wall system here with the feature set called Emerald AV Wall, which fully integrates the AV video wall with the KVM system. For more information, you can see us at www.blackbox.com.